how to set up a node on Ontology. Download Ontology's O-Wallet and install. Enter O-Wallet to start. To create a new individual wallet address, enter a name and password. Follow the prompts to back up the wallet file during the creation process. Repeat the previous steps to create a second wallet. Select the Node Staking tab on the left side and click the New Node Apply option. Select the Node Staking wallet and the Node Operation wallet. Fill in the amount of ONT you would like to stake. Please note that 500 ONG plus a small amount of gas fee will be charged for starting a candidate node. The staking wallet is used to sign the transaction. After registering successfully, you can select the Node Staking tab and click the Node Management option. Select the node to enter the management page. Click the Add to Stake tab to increase or decrease the initial staked amount of ONT. By configuring the User Stake Authorization tab, you can set the maximum amount of stake authorized for other users on the node. You can also set the distribution ratio for ONG released for that node. Select the Node Info tab to update the relevant node details. The staking wallet is required to sign and authorize the updating of any node information.